Hey, welcome aboard. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Guys, we're already up in the boat. As you can see from the back, we got triple 350 white Mercury Verados, and these are equipped with joystick piloting. Rod holders built into the transom here, as well as a portside aft live well. Coming through, we walk through on the starboard side. Freshwater shower right there. We also equipped this boat with an additional starboard side flip down seat, the standard seat right here across the transom, and all these seats fold flush. So if you wanted to go to fish the boat, you can fold these flush right in to the gunnels. There's a nice dive ladder there, a port side opening door right here where the dive ladder goes down, two in-floor large fish boxes. And coming forward, we have our prep center here with plenty of tackle and drawer storage. Our main live well here, and a freshwater sink as well. You also got the tulips for rod holders right here on the console. This boat's also equipped with Taco Grand Slam outriggers, as well as a retracting sure shade that comes out electronically from the center of the hardtop right there. What's great about the 350 Outrage, you got three large seats across the helm with vented backs and flip down armrests on either side. Also a Yeti cooler right down below the console. Two large 19-inch Raymarine screens. Again, joystick piloting, digital throttle, digital shift, large protection here in the console, full glass sides with an opening port in the center to allow scoops air right into your face while you're running, but also gives you protection from the elements if you're in some rough water. Nice deep gunnels here as we walk forward. The great garage locker, sun pad, chaise lounge right here. Two adults very comfortably flip down armrests on outside and the inside, as well as dynamic seating up in the bow. The table will retract down and turn into a large sun pad. These seats have storage under each of them, and you see here you can also lift the seat up, so if a passenger wants to cruise up here in the bow, they get cup holders right next to them and a nice stainless steel grab handle to hold on to. Walking around, you have a very large head area in this 350 Outrage. Porcelain Dometic toilet, vacuum flush system, freshwater sink, and a synthetic teak floor. Guys, thanks for watching this walkthrough tour on a 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. My name is Justin Costello. Boat's located here right at our store in Pompano Beach, Florida. 954-633-2070.